This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to run Warzone Mobile on PC, updated. Start by installing a reliable Android emulator, allocate at least 4 GB RAM, and enable virtualization in BIOS. Download the APK from a trusted source, adjust keybinds to match mouse and keyboard controls, and set graphics to balanced for stable FPS. Use a wired controller or mouse for lower input lag and test settings in private match before playing live. Optimize your emulator by assigning CPU cores and 4 GB RAM, then choose a balanced graphics preset to prevent stutters. Enable virtualization and update GPU drivers for better compatibility. Configure resolution to 16:9 and limit FPS to a stable target that your GPU can hold. Map essential controls to mouse and keyboard with comfortable sensitivity, and use a private match to fine-tune settings before dropping into live games. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides and updates. Quick recommendation: I love these socks. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep your feet comfy during long sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Set up precise controls by mapping movement, aim, and utility to ergonomic keys, and use direct input for controllers. Turn off mouse smoothing and pick a stable DPI that matches gaming preference. Limit in-game FPS to a value your hardware can sustain and reduce shadows or textures if temperatures rise. Monitor CPU and GPU usage with a lightweight overlay, and restart your emulator after major changes to lock in performance improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.